Hi guys, this is me Ayush and welcome back to my YouTube channel Insinuating Ayush.
Subscribe the YouTube channel Insinuating Ayush and press the bell icon to get further notifications for the latest updates of the videos.
In this video I'll be telling you that how can you recycle a plastic bottle into a very beautiful monster pen holder.
So let's take a quick view to all the materials needed to make this pen holder.
So first of all we'll be taking a plastic bottle, pencil or marker, a scissor or a cutter, few fabric colors, paint brushes of different size, Fevicol, last but not the least a white paper.
So this is to tell you that we are about to start.
So here I'm starting by taking a plastic bottle. So here I'm marking the length that I need to keep of the pen holder. You can keep the length of the pen holder according to yourself. So here I'm marking it with the marker. So here I marked it, the length that I need to keep. So here you can cut it with the help of the scissor, but to make it little bit more easy I have brought you to the kitchen. So what I have lit the stove and next I'm making my cutter to get a little bit hot. So as it will help me to cut the plastic bottle easily. So from the length where we have marked, I've started inserting the cutter and you can see it has started to cutting so properly and it is so easily. So this is not the thing that we need to use and this is the part that we need to use. So now what I'm just gonna do is that you have to make any kind of design on the top. You can make zigzag design or you can make a drip type of design. Here I've chosen drip type of a design. So now what I'm next gonna do is that with the help of my scissor I'm just trying to cut this. If you have the small scissor then it would be very much better than cutting it from the big scissor. The small scissor wasn't available with me. So here you can see I have cut the edges of it properly. So now I'm taking this green color, it's fabric color, and even I will suggest you to use the fabric color instead of using any poster color or any like simple fabric watercolor. So now I'm completely trying to fill in the colors to the plastic bottle. So here I'm going to share you the tip. You can see my surface of the plastic bottle is irregular. So first I'm going to put the colors into the holes and then I'm going to put the color on the rest of the bottle. So here it gotten dry. I've kept it under the sun rays. So yeah, first I'm going to draw the eyes. So you can draw the eyes according to your wish. I mean to say you can make it big or small according to your wish. So here I have used a plastic bottle cap. So it gave me the perfect circle. So we need two of them. So follow the same process to cut two circles from one. So here you just need to fold the paper into half and now you just need to cut the circle to get two of them. So here you can see now I'm taking a black marker. So the next what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna outline the from the outer side. I'm just gonna outline the circle with the help of my black marker. So here you can see now I'm gonna make a half semicircle as to make an eyelet. So now I'll mix the black and gray. Sorry guys, avoid that I have mixed the color in my hands. It has been like a habit from the starting that I have mixed the color on my hands. So here you can see now with the help of the black color I'm just making the eyeballs of it. So here you can see I'm taking a little bit of white color and I'm adding two dots to make the eyes look more adorable. So here you can see I made two of them. So now it's the time when we have to make the nose part. So I'm drawing this kind of shape. You can draw any of the shape of the nose you wish to draw. So here I've cut it and I've got a complete nose. So I'm making it get color with the lighter green shade. So here you can see I'm just coloring it out. So now I'm adding little bit white color to this middle to make the nose look little bit more highlighted. So here you can see it has gotten completely properly. So I'm adding little bit more white because it wasn't coming properly. So with the help of the water I made it completely blended. So now I'm taking little bit black color and I'm just trying to outline this nose. You can even use the marker, but I prefer it doing with the black watercolor. So now I'm making the nostrils with the help of a marker. Here I made the nostrils. So now it's the time when you need to paste the eyes as well as the nose. So this is my Insta ID. You can DM me for any of the query. So here I am pasting my eyes. I'm pasting the eye a little bit lower because on the upper we will make the eyebrows later on. So here I'm pasting the nose of it. So our eyes and nose has gotten stick. So now is the time when we need to make the eyebrows. So taking the white sheet, I have drawn a circle. The reason is that I need to make one brows little bit closer to the eyes. That's the reason why I've drawn a circle. You can make the same eyebrows, but I have decided to make different shapes of the eyebrows. Say that the shape is same, but the size and it is little bit tilted. So now I'm again taking white and black color to make the gray color, the color that we have filled into the eyelids. So I'm just trying to fill in the colors. Sorry guys, I made the video a little bit faster because it was getting too lengthy. So here you can see, first I'm trying to do the outline and then filling the colors inside the eyebrows. So I have completely filled in the color. So I'm taking a little bit white color and I'm gonna apply it on the top, and I'm gonna blend it by coming downwards to make my brows little bit more highlighted. Here you can see this is the way you have to add the white color, and by taking the water I'm just trying to blend it. So now with the help of the black color I'm just outlining my brows. You can outline it by using a black marker also, but I have outlined it by using black color. So here our outlining is done. So I have cut it out with the help of the scissors. So now I'm pasting it also. So here you can see that one of the brows is little bit closer to the eye and one of the brows is little bit upwards. So now we have to make the smile. So for the smile, this is a figure that I need to draw. So I have traced it out on my bottle. So now taking the black color, I'm just gonna make the outline and making the smile of this monster. So now I'm adding little bit white color for making the teeth. So here you can see this is the way you have to make the teeth. You can make the teeth according to yourself. You can increase the numbers of teeth. I prefer it making 2 of them only. So I have outlined this teeth also, and I have outlined at the sides to make the face. So now I'm taking little bit red color to make the spots. So here you can see this is the way you need to make the spots. You can make the spots according to yourself. So here I have added few spots at the back side also. So taking the white color, I'm just gonna put few of the lines inside this just to make those spots look more highlighted as well as to make it look more adorable. So I have did to all of them. The next I'm taking the black color and I'm just outlining it. So here you can see the way I have outlined rest of them. So here it is our complete look. Even I have added little bit black color on the top where we have cut it to make the edges look more sharp and clean. So guys, this is for today. If you like the video, then do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for the latest updates of the videos, like my videos, share my videos with your friends and with your families, and share your feelings about this video in the comment section. So guys, I know that it is a very high time where you need to take so much of the precautions and you need to take so much of the care of yourself as well as of your families. Hence I'll pray to God that you all will stay fine and stay safe. Till then, bye bye guys, and stay home and stay safe.